call. Passengers for Qatar Airways Flight 664 to Colombo Bandaranaike are
we are in Hamad International Airport. We're going to Davao, and this is our first time direct flight from Qatar, Cebu, Davao. So, tingnan natin ang aeroplanong ito. Yan siya. Cebu, Davao. QR 936 Gate B5. Hanapin natin yung Gate B5. So, yan, Christmas na, oh. Merry Christmas to you. Wow.
الرجاء الانتباه لأسباب أمنية يرجى عدم ترك الحقائب في أرض المطار دون مراقبة.
Yan, going to B1 to B12. Pok, pok, pok. Lang. Bye-bye. Boarding na mi. Alas 3 na sobra.
So, less hassle ang travel na to kasi hindi kagaya yung via Manila is from Terminal 3 ka, lilipat ka pa ng Terminal 1 or either Terminal 2. So, ito is direct from Doha to Cebu. Pagdating ng Cebu, pababa ang pasahero. Then, lilinisan nilang aeroplano. After that, may sasakay na naman papuntang Davao, then Davao to Qatar na.
Davao na kami. Wait, Davao na.